Hello, I am Tamil Selvan, CEO at Winfomi, Salesforce partner from Tamil Nadu. We saw about the financial services cloud and financial service clouds features in the different verticals in our previous videos. You can check on those videos. So now, as we know, AI is taking the revolution. Salesforce is also introduced generative AI features in the Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, and now we are going to see how AI can be beneficial for the financial services cloud. So we can use the AI for faster prospecting in the financial services cloud, and we can use it for automated underwriting and fraud detection. We can use it AI, and we can do the risk analysis with the AI, and we can get the customer insights and efficient service request handling we can do with the AI. So when we bring the AI to the financial services cloud, at least 60 to 70 percentage of the tasks that we can automate and do it in the better way. We can improve the productivity of our employees, bankers, insurer, and wealth advisors. Salesforce is already introducing a lot of AI products. Financial services cloud is part of the which includes sales cloud and service cloud. We can utilize AI products purchasing that. We can also utilize large language models if you developed for your company already. Like for example, if you're having already fraud detection large language model that can be integrated with the financial services cloud in the easier way, and we can continue using that large languages model. So AI is going to be give lot of benefits to the financial services cloud. It's definitely going to increase the productivity, and this revenue is also going to be increased in much better way. Thank you for watching the video.